Hello, boys and girls. It's Wednesday, October 14th. 17 more days to Halloween. All right. So today we have our little calendar collector, our markers. What do you think it's going to be? What's the pattern? Should be some moolah. Let's see what we got. What's that? Oops, wrong one. 50-cent piece. Wow. You don't see those very often. Those used to be like coveted. Like my brothers, I think I told you, my brothers and sisters all got us. They were called silver half dollars from their grandpa. He passed away before I could get any, but they got one of those for their birthday. And they all still have them, which I think is kind of cool. Like they collected them. So they all have 18 silver half dollars that they will not get rid of. They might be worth money because my brothers and sisters are really old. I was an oops. All right, so if we look at that, well, what's 50 cents? Well, that's a half a dollar, isn't it? Yeah. So put our text boxes in. So 50 cents is a half a dollar. I think you're going to see something cool here. If you remember when we were looking at yards and inches, remember when we kept having a half and we kept putting it this one decimal point? I wonder if you remember what it was. So we can write 50-cent piece because that's what it is. 50 or half dollar. Right, 50 cents. Do our decimal point, dollar sign, decimal point, 50. Does that look familiar? Mm-hmm. We wrote half is 0.5, didn't we? So our fraction, which if we did it literally would be, let's bust this up a little bit, would be 50 over 100. Okay. We don't want the 100 underlined here. Take the underline off. There we go. 50 over 100. Now, how do we usually write 1/2? Yeah, we do 1 over 2. And the reason that works is 50 goes into 100 2 times. 5 goes into 10 2 times. So it becomes 1/2. And so our decimal point is 0.5. Okay, so we have our decimal point. That's a comma. 50, or we can just do 0.5, and that is 1/2. Okay, so let's think about our pattern. If it holds true, what should come next? So if we look at what we have, we started way back here. Money, base 10 blocks, 10 frames, money. Then 10 base 10 blocks, then shape, then 10 frame, then money. Then we have 10 base 10 blocks, money, base 10 blocks. Didn't follow the pattern there, did it? Then we have a shape again, and then we have a 10 frame, and then we have money. So the question is, will the 10 frame and the shape show up? Sometimes it does, and sometimes it doesn't, looks like in our pattern. Sometimes it's just the money and the base 10. So I'll have to think, what do you think will happen next? What shape? What do you think we'll have? Do you think we'll have a base 10 block? That seems to come after money. And then we'll have to look to see if we have if we have the shape or the 10 frame show up and make an appearance. I hope you have a great day.